Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report issues on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and go and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in or register to Foodpanda. Now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the address and the search bar. And also in the bottom of the screen, we have 4 tabs, which are the Home tab, Shops, Search, and the Account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and report issues on Foodpanda. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is, out of all of these tabs, go and click on the bottom right tab. So out of those 4, click on the bottom right tab on Account. Then when you're there, you just need to go and drag your screen down to the bottom. And here we have the general settings. We have the Help Center, Foodpanda for Business, Terms and Policies, and the Logout button. What you need to go and focus on is the Help Center. Go and click on it here. And here you have a lot of issues that you can go and report. So basically, just a second, it has to load. As you can see here, you have a lot of issues that you can go and see. So also you have some frequently asked questions. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and as always, bye guys.